Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of blockchain technology. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the buzz, I've got you covered. Let's break it down in simple terms, shall we? So, what exactly is blockchain? Think of it as a digital ledger, a record book that's open for everyone to see but impossible to alter. Imagine a Google Doc that's shared with a group of people. Everyone in the group can add to it, but once an entry is made, it can't be changed. That's blockchain in a nutshell. Now you might wonder, how does it work? Here's the scoop. Blockchain is made up of blocks. Each block contains a list of transactions. When a block is completed, it gets a timestamp and a unique identifier called a hash. This hash is like a fingerprint. It's unique to that block. But wait, there's more. Each block also contains the hash of the previous block, linking them together in a chain. Hence, the name blockchain. This linkage ensures that if anyone tries to alter a block, they'd have to change every single block that comes after it. Practically impossible. So why is blockchain such a big deal? First off, it's decentralized. There's no single entity controlling it. Instead, it's maintained by a network of computers called nodes. This means more transparency and less risk of fraud. Secondly, it's secure. Transactions are encrypted and verified by multiple nodes before being added to the blockchain. This makes it extremely difficult for hackers to tamper with the data. You're probably wondering, where is blockchain being used? The most famous example is Bitcoin, the first ever cryptocurrency. But it doesn't stop there. Blockchain is being explored in various fields like healthcare, finance, and even supply chain management. Imagine tracking the journey of your favorite coffee from the farm to your cup. In a nutshell, blockchain is revolutionizing the way we think about data and transactions. It's transparent, secure, and decentralized. Pretty cool, right? So next time you hear the term blockchain, you'll know exactly what it means and why it's such a game changer. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Thanks for watching.